Are you kidding me right now? You're kidding me right now, man. I'm done. Are you kidding me? That's 3. That's 3. Oh my God, not again. And that's 2 in a day. That's 2 in a day. Because the other one happened at 4 in the morning. Are you kidding me? Wow. Ugh. Oh boy. Not again. Ugh. That is just wonderful. That's 3.
2 days in a row. Like
technically no. This is 2 in one day because the one
it's 4 a.m.
Yeah, 4 a.m. Yep. So that's 2 in one day.
I'm a big fan. My name's Molly. I'm his neighbor.
I got the whole crew from Susquehanna here. This is just great.
We're having fun playing that game. We're gonna get killed.
We're going to restart the whole thing.
Well, campus safety is going to be on their way in just a hot moment. The poor dog. Oh no. The poor dog. Oh, what is it this time? Well, if you can see through the window, you can see the strobes are not synced. Also, is it just me, or do these things always seem to go off while the sun is down? Like, this, out of all 3 times that the alarm has gone off, it went off at night and not during the daytime.
It's never in the daytime.